We are going to demonstrate the technique of decongestive therapy for lymphedema, which is also called as manual lymphatic drainage. Now, this therapy essentially opens up the collateral channels so that the accumulated lymph is diverted through these collateral channels, bypassing the blockage. We must remember that this is sufficient for mild cases of lymphedema, but it is not sufficient for larger or severe lymphedema, because the drainage through the collaterals happens only to a limit, because the main lymphatic channels are blocked. Nonetheless, this is a very useful therapy even before a surgery to make the lymph soft so that the surgery happens well. So let us begin. So this is the first step. Now essentially it consists of 3 stages. The first stage is when we open the lymphatic channels of the normal part of the body. For example, now in this patient where we have to do a decongestive therapy for the right upper limb, we are opening up the lymphatic channels in the proximal part which of the normal area. Okay, now generally we go down in a circular motion. Now these motions are very soft, not very hard, because the lymphatics are superficial. They are not very deep structures, and the pressure is only around 40 to 60 to 70 millimeters of mercury. So these soft massages of a round circular motion coming from the normal area to the abnormal area and going from proximal to distal is the first step. Now this is shown from the back. Similarly, from the front one can do. So this procedure of the first step takes around 15-20 minutes of time, and we can see that the first step is complete over there. The second step will mean that a massage from proximal to distal will start, which we are just going to show. Now here you can see that even the fingers were massaged. Now this is the second step. Now we are trying to open up the collaterals and drain and push the fluid from the abnormal lymphatics to the normal lymphatics. So as we open the proximal part, and then gradually it goes and opening the distal part. So this is the second stage. Again, the movement should just be soft to firm, not hard. Now again we have come till distally. So the 2 steps are from proximal to the distal and right up to the fingers. The third stage is the reverse, wherein we are going from distal. Now this is the start of the third stage, from going from distal to the proximal area. Now to have a lubrication, you can use either oil or you can use the powder. We use powder, not oil, because sometimes there may be washing problem after using the oil, because oil has to be washed with soap and water to prevent any infection in the grooves. So that is why we use powder, which is easily taken off just by a cotton swab, and patient can go home after the therapy. Okay, so this is the third stage of the therapy, and this, thank you so much.